Good morning. It is summer solstice. Techno-Tinker log. Sunday, June 20th, 2021. It's also Father's Day, and I got to sleep in on the first day of summer and catch up on the news. We're about to have breakfast and then gonna do a little bit of work, and then we're gonna head off to the beach, hang out there for a couple hours, and then swim and sunbathe and do our delivery shift from 5 to 8. That is our day. And hot day today, 80 degrees it's supposed to be. So swimming should feel good.
Stop moving.
No, he missed all. He missed all in out of his shell. I don't know what I'm doing now. Oh, Greggy, what are you staring at? What is it?
So me and Kian had cereal. Well, he had cereal, Fruity Pebbles for breakfast. I had bagel with cream cheese and butter. And I had that London Fog instant Constard tea, which I'm not a big fan of. I mean, it's alright, but I like the chai better. It's not as sweet as that. Anyways, I worked on client work, and then we got ready to head off to the beach. We're headed to Lauderdale Donovan Park. Hopefully there'll be places to park and places to swim. So, and then we're going to do our delivery shift after that. So evening recap, me and Kian finished our shift, and we had went swimming at Lake Whatcom, then hit Starbucks, got a mocha cookie crumble frappuccino, lemon cake and banana bread, ice waters, and we did our 3-hour shift, but then it was averaging close to 35 an hour, so we stayed on for another hour, which brought it down to 33 an hour, but that was good. We stopped at 9. Kian tried to call his mom, but call her back, but he missed her. What else did we do? Pretty much drove home, played ding dong. I was exhausted when I got home. I was gonna do the summer solstice ritual, but too tired. just binge watched some Netflix and had some ice cream. For dessert, we watched the crickets and the lizards and the hermit crabs, and yeah, that was the evening. We did grab Panda Express on the way back. Kept saying one more delivery, with hopes that we'd go through the Panda Express line so we could order something. But we did. We kept getting Red Robin. So I went ahead and treated him to Panda Express since he was so excited for it. And I had the honey walnut shrimp, fried rice, and Beijing beef. And Kian had his typical kids meal, orange chicken with lemonade and chow mein. Yeah, that was a night. It's hot. It was up in the 86 degrees, I think, was the highs of yesterday. I'm not sure. The inside of my car was like 93 when I opened it up. Good night, Sims.